Hello everyone. I am a student. I am a student of Others Education Society, Arts, Commerce and Science College, Hingoli. My name is Vishwambhar Surykantrao Joshi. I am studying in B.SC. third year. In this video, our topic is presentation of finite differences. The finite differences belongs to numerical analysis, and numerical analysis is a branch of mathematics. Now in this video we will discuss, consider a function y is equal to f of x. X is independent variable and y is dependent variable, and consecutive value of x by differences h, that is a plus h, a plus 2h, a plus 3h. The corresponding value of f of x are f of a plus h, f of a plus 2h, f of a plus 3h. The value of independent variable is called the argument. The value of dependent variable corresponding to that argument is called the entry. Now the differences between the consecutive value, the independent variable is called the interval of the differences. Here h is the interval of differencing. F of a plus h minus f of a plus 2h minus f of a plus h, f of a plus 3h minus f of a plus 2h are called the first differences of the function y is equal to f of x. Denoting these differences, delta f of a. Delta is an operator called forward differential operator. Delta f of a plus h, delta f of a plus 2h, etc. The delta f of a is an operator which is calculate the forward term. Delta f of a is equal to f of a plus h minus f of a. Now we calculate delta f of a plus h is equal to f of a plus 2h minus f of a plus h. Delta f of a plus 2h is equal to f of a plus 3h minus f of a plus 2h. Delta f of a plus 3h is equal to f of a plus 4h minus f of a plus 3h, etc. The differences of these first differences are called second differences. And are denoted by delta square f of a. Delta square f of a is nothing but square, it is a repetition. Delta square f of a, delta square f of a plus h, delta square f of a plus 2h. Here we calculate it. Delta square f of a, delta f of a plus 2h minus delta f of a. Delta square f of a plus h is equal to delta f of a plus 2h minus delta f of a plus h. Delta square f of a plus 2h is equal to delta f of a plus 3h minus delta f of a plus 2h. The differences of these second differences are called third differences. Delta cube f of a is third finite differences. Now delta cube f of a is equal to delta square f of a plus h minus delta square f of a. Delta cube f of a plus h is equal to delta square f of a plus 2h minus delta square f of a plus h, etc. In general, nth finite differences, delta n raised to f of a is equal to delta n raised to minus 1 f of a plus h minus delta n raised to minus 1 f of a. The delta n raised to n called the nth order forward differential operator. Now we calculate delta square f of a is equal to delta f of a plus h minus delta f of a is equal to f of a plus 2h minus f of a plus h minus f of a plus h plus f of a. Therefore, f of a plus 2h minus 2f f of a plus h minus f of a. Now, similarly, delta cube f of a is equal to delta square f of a plus h minus delta square f of a is equal to delta f of a plus 2h minus delta f of a plus h minus delta f of a plus h plus delta f of a. is equal to delta f of a plus 2h minus 2 delta f of a plus 2h plus 2 f of a plus h plus f of a plus h minus f of a. In this equation, f of a plus 3h minus 3 f of a plus 2h plus 3 f of a plus h minus f of a. Thank you. In this video,